National Hockey League regular season, but it's hard to imagine a game in the early going that's bigger than this. Tonight, the Colorado Avalanche look to exact a little revenge as they welcome in the division rivals from the South. Here come the Dallas Stars.